Here is a Hardinge DSM 59 lathe. We have it hooked up to 230 volt 3-phase power, and we're gonna run it and show you that it works. A few things that it comes with is the collets. It also comes with some a cutter blade and a few chucks and a lot of tooling. A lot of these are like bit holders and whatnot. Okay. Okay, we'll show you the coolant pump first. Okay, that's the coolant pump. Now we're gonna take you through the controls here. We're gonna go forward and low, and then we'll go forward and high. That's high speed. And then you also have an adjustment up here. And you can control the speed up here when it's on high or low. Okay, now we're gonna go reverse. And that's it, reverse low. And then that's reverse high. And you can do the same thing on reverse. You can adjust your speed up here as well. It's got a work light as well. And then it's got the turret. You see with the turret, when you go back, it rotates. Okay, this is a Hardinge DSM 59 precision lathe.